So I was sent this under sink organizer in exchange for a review. So let's open it up and see what we got. So here's everything it comes with. Got these two shelves, it looks like. The rods to hold it up. Guessing these are the legs and some hooks. I'm wondering if that's to put on this container here. Also came with some instructions to put it together. So let's put it together and see what we got. The rods can be a little stiff to get in there, but they do go in with just a little bit of pressure. So there's both a foot and also a leg that it slips through for each leg. And these will just get pushed right into the corners. For the top corners, there are also these corner covers, which don't do a whole lot besides just cover the holes where the rods went through. And they just slide right on. Then you have two big hooks. One slides in there, and one on the other side. Then you also have four of these smaller hooks, which you can put anywhere. They just slide right on, and they free slide wherever as well. Lastly, I found out that this basket was actually two baskets, and you can put those wherever you like as well. So this is what it ultimately looks like. You have two baskets, four small hooks, and two larger hooks. One there, and one back here. Kind of weird that you can't choose where to put those bigger hooks. Seems like no matter what, one of them won't be utilized. So the baskets are about 15.5 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and just over 2.5 inches deep. The whole shelf is about 13.75 inches tall. So under my sink is kind of a bit of a mess. So I'm gonna see if I can put this down there and straighten things up a little bit. So I noticed it will not fit really tall items like this or this, but that's what the other side of the sink is for, I guess. And there we go. My stuff is much more organized now. I'm gonna throw this magic eraser in that side pocket. I did notice these hooks are just a little bit too small to find useful, to me at least. It just doesn't quite work with my cleaning brushes, but what I could do is tie a little twine around this, and then that would hang from that via the twine pretty easily. But that is kind of nitpicking. I do appreciate receiving this. Definitely makes underneath our sink much more organized. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.